Good evening to all. Good evening to all. Welcome our Lakshmi Institute Neet 2024 batch students. So today topic morphology. Today topic we have learned to morphology. First of all, what is the meaning of morphology? So morphology means study of the external characters. That means you have seen the plant. Yes, you have seen the plant. What are the appearance you have to see? Learn the plant. The specimen, original specimen you have. Yes, you have look like the base portion. Start root up to the flower. Root, stem, leaf, bud, fruit, seed, flower. So these are kinds are look like external appearance. So study about the external appearance is known as a morphology. So study of the plant external character is known as morphology. So represents for root, stem, leaf, flowers and fruit. Then root, majority of the plant. So mainly root consists for dicotyledon plant. So direct elongation of the radicle. So leads to the formation of primary root grows inside of the soil. So direct elongation of radical. This leads to the formation of primary root grows inside the soil. Then secondary and tertiary root are forms that arise from the lateral roots of several. So lateral roots arise from the secondary and root and tertiary root. And mainly consists of some of the root system. Yes, first you can see the taproot system. Taproot system is the primary root. It consists of monocotyledon. The primary root branches. So consists of taproot system. For example, mustard. Then the root is originate. So based of the stem. Where it is located, originate from root here. So root is originate the base of stem. Fibrous root. For example, fibrous root. For example, wheat plant. You can see by example, wheat plant. Next adventitious root system. Adventitious root system. Some plants like grass, monstera and banyan tree roots arise from parts of the plant. So other than radical are called adventitious roots. Adventitious root. So functions of root is absorption of water and mineral from the soil, storing the reserve food material and plant growth regulator. These are the functions of adventitious root system. Then for the support, the region next for the providing proper anchorage to the plant and storing the reserve food materials. And synthesis of plant growth regulator. These are the main functions of adventitious root system. Then next point, regions of root. So root cap, and the next is a thumble-like structure. You can see the structure. What is the main part of base portion of the root? Just draw the diagram. Is consists of upper portion root hair, then regions of root, then region of elongation, and the region of meristematic activity. Finally, edge portion is called a root cap. So root cap is it's a thumble-like structure. Then again next part, region of meristematic activity. That means a few millimeters above the root cap is find out there. So these cells regions are very small, thin walled and with dense protoplasm. They are divided repeatedly. So the cells from axial to the region undergo rapid elongation and enlargement and responsible for the growth of the root in the length. So this region is called as a region of elongation. The third point is a region of elongation. Then region of, again next point, region of maturation. This is for elongation. So gradually differentiate, then mature. So the promaxial, the region of elongation is called as a region of maturation. Then finally root hairs. So root hairs, the region of some of the epidermal cells from very fine and delicate thread-like structure is called a root hairs. So these functions of root hair: absorb the water and mineral from the soil. So these are kinds of the regions of root. So students, today only root part you have seen. Then next part, modification of roots. Some of the modification, what are the parts, that particular part is modified into a root. Yes, you have seen the next class. So thank you so much. Thank you.